I spoke with staff and parents at Talawanda about the idea in this exclusive Oxford Weekly News story.
Talawanda School District recently proposed the idea of random drug testing for high school students. The goal would be to reduce the number of students who use drugs and alcohol and give help to those who test positive. If the program is put in place, the district says they have resources to help, but it isn't clear what the course of action would be.
So then my next thought is, well, what do you do with that information? It kind of puts a burden on the school. Like, if you know a kid is doing some kind of drugs or alcohol, do you counsel them? Do you tell the parents? Do you tell the police?
Following the proposal, Talawanda's Health Coordinating Council was asked to research the pros and cons of random drug testing.
The Health Coordinating Council definitely looked at both sides of the issue and looked at the reasons why it might be a good choice to test, primarily falling back on the idea that it could give both students and parents a way to say no when faced with a tough situation and kind of address that peer pressure that both students and parents face.
Staff members at Talawanda point to an anonymous survey given to students every other year as a reason not to use random testing.
We have systems in place already, and our data would indicate that they're working.
Not all students could be tested. By law, testing must be random and can only be given to students who have privileges. For Talawanda, that means students who participate in extracurricular activities or have a parking pass. 270 students have a parking pass this year, and about 350 participate in extracurricular activities. The Health Coordinating Council estimates that 300 tests could be given per year. At $29 per test, this would cost the district $8,700 per year. Although some are enthusiastic about the idea, others say random drug testing may be going too far.
I believe that we learn from experiences. I think sometimes you can get programming in place that is punitive or that can create labels for students, even if they only did something wrong one time. So I think that's a fine line that we have to walk.
The school board says it has not set a timetable on when it will make a final decision on the random testing proposal.